Yes, hello guys, my name is Oscar. I just realized I misplaced the key, so today I'm shooting different content because I said the most important thing is adding value to people. So I managed to get this cylinder lock out. So I want to show you guys how you can be able to do it. Okay, I'm not an expert, but I'm going to see if this will really work. Yeah, so I realized they have some clips here, so I'll remove this one. So let me see if I can get this one out as well. The procedure is always the same, just like any other lock. So you find this is where you place the key. So the most important thing is we are trying to remove this. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this clip. I want to see if I'll be successful in doing it, because that seems to be the hardest thing. Yeah, so I have to first look for where the ends are. So yeah, so I'm trying to look for the ends. So what I'm going to do is yeah, I think I found it. The challenging part I noticed with this is removing this clip. This is now the clip which gets which actually recesses this lock parts. So let me see if I can get it out with this knife. Yeah, so yeah, this is basically the clip. This is what you're trying to get out. It's kind of tricky, so let me see if I can pull it out with the numbers. I want to remove it so that I don't have it damaged. I'll see how I can return that back thereafter. Now this is an old key, so I want to see if I can, if I'll manage to use this key. Yeah, so that's what happens. So let me see if I can get this out. Yeah, so this is basically it. I hope you guys can be able to see. This is basically it. Yeah, so I have to try and get this out and not to and make sure I don't just make sure I don't lose any of these parts. Yeah, so I've managed to get it out. Okay, these things they usually have some springs. So let me see if I can get this other one out. This one seems to have two different parts. Yeah, so you have to get it out very, very slowly so that there are no damages to these parts. Like I said, I've never done this before, but I want to see if it will really work. Yeah, so that's the whole idea. Yeah, I managed to get these things out, but something, I've damaged a few springs. Maybe I can try and, yeah, this one will still be reusable. So the idea is to get this out. So once that is out, yeah, I think there's still some parts inside. Trying to see, because this is, some other locks they have this as one hole, but this one seems to have different parts. So that one I managed to get out. There's a spring here. Yeah, that's out. Yeah, I hope all these other parts are out. So let me try this other one. Yeah, it looks a little bit complex. So that one is out. So, so take this. Then you place the key here. This is where the key, you place the key here. And then the most important thing, where you're seeing these holes, you have to make sure they balance with the key. So I don't really know if this key matches. Yeah, I think this key will match with this. So you have to make sure it balances, and then these things, they have to flush such that it will be easier to have it recessed back again. So this is the key. Place the key here. Like I've said, I don't know how to do this, but I'm just trying to see if it will work out. So let me see if I put this bullet like things. This one, I think the whole idea is it must flush. So I don't think I'll use that one. So let me see how I can balance on these others. Let me see how I can get it. I think I also have to get these ones out. I don't know how I'm going to get them out. I don't know how I'm going to get this out. I should look for something much better. It's not as easy as I thought. So I have to see if I can get this out. Oh, that seems tight. That seems very tight. Because there's a way. Oops. I've already started dropping some things. There's a way how to get that out. Let's see how it works now. I don't know how I'm going to get this out. Let me try using this. This is what I'm trying to get out. Let's see, okay. Kind of seem very stuck to each other. Let me see if I can use this spring. Let me see if I can get a special tool for this. Yeah, I think guys, this is unfortunate because it's unfortunate because I'm not able to get these things out. And I thought I'm not able to get this out, so I really don't have a choice. If I was able to get this out, it would have been easier for me to reset this lock. So it's very unfortunate I'm not able to get this out. So maybe what I can do, I can just clip back this. Yeah, I'll just clip back this, or I'll just basically buy a new one. So I'll just clip back this. These guys are very clever, because if you're not able to get this out, then there's no If you're not able to get this out, then it's not possible for me to have this repaired. But anyway guys, if you have any ideas, you can let me know. So in the meantime, I'll just have to buy a replacement for this. So thank you so much guys for watching.